Welcome back, entrepreneurs. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of keyword research strategies for your Shopify store in 2024. In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, understanding the right keywords is your secret weapon. It's like finding the language your customers speak and think in, which is vital for making your products visible and relevant. As we all know, staying ahead in the e-commerce game requires constant adaptation, and understanding the right keywords can make or break your online success. First things first, let's clarify what keyword research is. Picture yourself in a bustling marketplace. Now imagine if you knew exactly what each potential customer was looking for. That's essentially what keyword research does for your online store. It's the art and science of identifying and analyzing the specific words and phrases that people punch into search engines when they're on the hunt for products. By understanding these search terms, you can tailor your site content, product descriptions, blog posts, and more to align with what people are actively seeking. This not only makes it easier for your potential customers to find you, but it also helps search engines like Google to better understand what your Shopify store has to offer. So, in essence, keyword research is your roadmap to visibility in the digital marketplace. This practice is crucial for optimizing your Shopify store to rank higher in search engine results. As we step into 2024, some emerging trends are reshaping the landscape of keyword research. Voice search, artificial intelligence, and shifting consumer behaviors are influencing how people find and buy products online. Firstly, let's talk about voice search. With the rise of digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, more and more people are using their voices to search for products online. This trend is pushing us away from traditional keyword phrases and towards more conversational natural language. Next, we have artificial intelligence. AI and machine learning are not just buzzwords, they're becoming integral parts of keyword research. AI tools can analyze massive amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss. They can predict what consumers will search for next, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Then, there's the shift in consumer behavior. Today's shoppers are increasingly value-conscious and research-oriented. They're not just typing in product names, they're searching for detailed information, reviews, comparisons, sustainable options, and so much more. This shift requires us to go beyond simple keywords and delve into topics and content that meet these evolving needs. For instance, if you're selling eco-friendly products, you might want to target keywords like sustainable fashion tips or benefits of organic cotton to attract informed and conscious consumers. Lastly, we cannot ignore the importance of mobile. With the majority of searches now happening on mobile devices, it's crucial to consider mobile-first keywords. People search differently on their phones, often using shorter phrases or abbreviations. Therefore, your keyword strategy should reflect this trend. All these trends are shaping the future of keyword research. They're changing how we understand and reach our customers. But remember, trends come and go. The key is to stay adaptable and keep your keyword strategy flexible. It's vital to keep an eye on these trends to refine your keyword strategy accordingly. By doing so, you can ensure that your Shopify store remains visible and relevant, attracting the right customers at the right time and ultimately driving more sales. Long-tail keywords are your secret weapon. Yeah, that's right. These aren't just any keywords. They're longer and more specific phrases that customers use when they're closer to making a purchase decision. Imagine you're selling handmade leather wallets. A short-tail keyword might be leather wallet, but a long-tail keyword could be handmade leather wallet for men. See the difference? Long-tail keywords are like a goldmine for your Shopify store. They're specific, they're targeted, and they're less competitive, which means they can help your store rank higher in search engine results. And guess what? Higher ranking equals more visibility. More visibility equals more traffic. And more traffic, well, that equals more sales. But how do you incorporate these long-tail keywords into your Shopify store? Well, it's not rocket science. You sprinkle them into your product descriptions, making sure they sound natural and informative. You weave them into your blog posts, providing valuable content that's relevant to your products. And don't forget about meta tags. These are the snippets of text that describe a page's content, and they're a great place to add your long-tail keywords. Remember, it's all about being strategic. You want to use long-tail keywords that your potential customers are actually searching for. So don't just guess. Use keyword research tools to identify the best long-tail keywords for your products. Incorporating these into your product descriptions, blog posts, and meta tags can significantly boost your store's visibility. And who doesn't want that? Don't forget to spy on your competitors. Now, don't get me wrong, we're not advocating for any underhanded tricks here. Rather, it's about understanding what's working in your market. Knowing what keywords are driving traffic to their stores can provide valuable insights to help refine your own strategy. Think of it as a friendly game of chess. By observing your competitors' moves, you can anticipate trends and stay ahead of the game. So, how can you do this? There are several tools at your disposal, and two of the best are SEMrush and Ahrefs. SEMrush is an all-in-one marketing toolkit that provides detailed SEO analysis. This includes a breakdown of the keywords your competitors are ranking for. With this information, you can identify opportunities for your own store. On the other hand, Ahrefs digs deep into backlink analysis. It shows you where your competitors are getting their links from, which can be a goldmine of potential keyword ideas. But remember, the goal isn't to copy your competitors. It's about learning from what they're doing right and applying it to your own unique strategy. The idea is to draw inspiration from their success while adding your own twist to stand out from the crowd. So, start spying today. Not in a creepy way, of course, but in a way that helps you stay competitive and successful in this ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Remember, it's not about copying, but gaining inspiration to create a unique strategy. Consider user intent. This is a crucial aspect of your keyword research strategy. It's not just about identifying the words and phrases people use when looking for products. It's about truly understanding what your potential customers are searching for. Are they in the discovery phase, simply browsing and gathering information? Or are they ready to buy, searching for a specific product? By analyzing customer behavior on your site, you can gain insights into these questions. You can track the keywords they use, the pages they visit, how long they stay, and even the point at which they decide to make a purchase or leave your site. With this information in hand, you can tailor your keyword strategy to align with their needs. For instance, if you notice a significant number of visitors using informational search queries, you might want to consider creating more educational content that provides value and builds trust with your audience. On the other hand, if most of your visitors are using transactional search queries, it's a clear sign that they're ready to buy. In this case, optimizing your product pages and streamlining your checkout process can help convert these visitors into customers. By aligning your keyword strategy with user intent and customer behavior, you're not only improving your site's visibility in search engine results, but also creating a more personalized and engaging user experience. This can improve your conversion rates and enhance the overall user experience. And at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Ensuring that your customers feel understood, valued, and satisfied with their experience on your site. Stay in the loop with seasonal and trending keywords. In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, timing is everything. Integrating keywords related to holidays, seasons, or popular trends into your content can give your store a timely boost. Imagine the power of aligning your product offerings with the buzz of Black Friday or the warmth of the holiday season. But how do we identify these seasonal and trending keywords? Enter tools like Google Trends. This handy tool lets you peek into the pulse of the internet, showing you what people are searching for in real time. You can see what's hot, what's not, and plan your keyword strategy accordingly. It's not just about what your customers want, but also when they want it. By staying on top of seasonal and trending keywords, you can ensure your store is always relevant, always engaging, and always ready to meet your customers' needs. Tools like Google Trends can help you identify what's hot and guide your keyword choices accordingly. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the world of keyword research, unearthing the secrets that can catapult your Shopify store to new heights in 2024. We've explored the importance of understanding what keyword research is and how it's a game changer in the e-commerce world. We've delved into the latest trends, from voice search to artificial intelligence, and how they're reshaping the way we approach keyword strategies. We've uncovered the power of long-tail keywords, those valuable phrases that can significantly boost your visibility. We've emphasized the importance of competitor analysis, reminding you that gaining inspiration, not copying, is the key to success. We've urged you to consider user intent and customer behavior, tailoring your keyword strategy to meet your customers' needs. And finally, we've touched on the value of seasonal and trending keywords to give your store a timely boost. So, start optimizing your Shopify store today and watch your online presence soar. Happy selling!